Did you know? Our body produces 25 million new cells for every second. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Dolphins are known to be one of the smartest animals on the planet, possibly because they can conserve their brain power. Because they must be constantly on the lookout for predators, spider webs were used as bandages in ancient times. In ancient Greece and Rome, doctors used spider webs to make bandages for their patients. Cotton candy was invented by a dentist. Dentist William Morrison and confectioner John C. Wharton invented machine-spun cotton candy in 1897. Snow owls fly 0.5 meters high from land. Only this bird fly like this. Bubble wrap was originally intended to be wallpaper. Bubble wrap was invented in 1957 by engineers Alfred W. Fielding and Mark Chavan, who sealed two shower curtains together, creating a smattering of air bubbles, which they initially tried to sell as wallpaper. The desert rain frog, web-footed rain frog, or Benhur short-headed frog is a species of frog in the family Brevicipitidae. This looks sad. A cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. Clouds are not as light and fluffy as they appear. In fact, researchers have found that a single cloud weighs about 1.1 million pounds. How do they know? Well, that number is calculated by taking the water density of a cloud and multiplying it by its volume. Fortunately, the cloud can still float at that weight because the air below it is even heavier. Astronauts cannot walk after landing because in space, not so much. Sensors inside our ears, which are part of the vestibular system that controls balance, are thrown off, often causing astronauts to feel dizzy or queasy the first few days in space. Once they get back to Earth, it takes a while for their bodies to readjust. Hence, the walking problems. Tear ducts are still developing after birth, and it's normal for them not to shed tears for the first few months. That's why babies won't get tears when they cry. A moonbow is a rainbow that happens at night. If a storm is passing and the sun starts shining, you might be lucky enough to spot a rainbow. But did you know that you can see something just as amazing at night? While they're incredibly unusual, moonbows, or lunar rainbows, are caused by the reflection, refraction, and dispersion of light, and tend to happen most often in places with waterfalls and mist. There also needs to be a near full moon